unit tax, consumer surplus, producer surplus, tax burden. Notice the equilibrium price is $10 and the equilibrium quantity is 11. The consumer surplus then is this triangle from $10 to $16, which is a difference of 6, all the way to the equilibrium quantity, which is 11. 6 times 11 is 66, divided by 2 is 33. So the area of consumer surplus prior to the tax is $33. But look at what happens to the consumer surplus as this tax raises the price to the consumer. The consumer surplus now goes down to the difference between 11 and 5, which is 5, times the quantity, which is 50. The difference then is $25. Notice at the equilibrium price of 10, the producer surplus is the difference between 10 and $4, which is 6, times the quantity, which is 11. 6 times 11 is 66, divided by 2 is 33. Because of the per unit tax, suppliers now are only willing to supply 10 units in the marketplace at $9. They're not willing to supply more units in the marketplace unless the price were to go up. The producer surplus goes down to this area because at a quantity of 10 units, suppliers are only willing to supply 10 units at $9. The producer surplus now is the difference between 9 and 4, which is 5. 5 times 10, which is 50, divided by 2. The producer surplus now is $25.